everyone, this is my giant pumpkin patch, and, well, this is what I have for you. This is called a male flower, and I don't see another one that's open, but they actually look like this. They actually have petals like this, and then it would be in the center. So it would have petals going like, and it would have no pumpkin underneath it. So the flower starts right here, and as you can see, there's no pumpkin underneath it. So basically, I'll show you where the vine started. It started right here and went all the way down to here. Now, my dad that's taking the video can kind of watch out because he's standing in boundaries right now. And that's why I have tall grass. Because if the main vine, the main root gets cut off, the whole entire thing gets cut off. So be careful what you do with those. So today I'm going to show you how to hand pollinate. Hand pollination is very important in our pumpkins. This is actually where a flower used to be. This is where our flower used to be, around here. And the pumpkin was really tiny, and I'll get to how tiny it is in a second. You just want to rub it all in there. Get all the kind of stuff in there. And basically, these are called secondary vines. And this is what grows off the main vine. Now I'll explain to you why. I'm in Florida right now. My name is Zachary O'Donnell. And I'm going to explain to you why this died from here to here. Died all the way down to there. Now these vines right here, not the one close farthest, but this one right here, it goes from right there. That one's already starting to die. You know why? Because it got hot, number one, later on in where I planted it. And it killed from here to here. And it took away so much energy that it just fell. The whole entire thing got diseases. Because in the summertime a little bit, back in August, I had it about right here. And basically, just boom, done. But basically, it pretty much came back, and I researched a little bit more. These actually spread all the way down to there. These actually spread all the way down to there. So they get on top of this 30-foot vine. On top of that 30-foot vine, it is actually going to have another 30-foot vine, and another 30-foot vine, possibly another 30-foot vine, another 30-foot vine, and another 30-foot vine, and possibly another 30-foot vine, and another 30-foot vine, and a couple, like 4 on the other side. So as you can see, that's going to be a lot of space we need to have. So, since I am standing out here in Florida, you can't really get, people say it's impossible to grow it in Florida. But I literally have gotten this far. I had a bigger one, but it cracked because I forgot to cover it I need serious covering with those towels down there by the mess. And basically, you cover it when it gets hot. When it gets like maybe in the 60s, 70s, maybe in the 60s, 70s, that's when you don't cover it. But when it gets down to 30s, maybe 30s, I had like eight of these over there. You know what will happen? What's happened with my other one? It got cool, then it got hot right away. It split all the way down the side, all the way around. I was so upset. But now I researched a little bit more and more because these are actually have to be covered when it gets hot like that. Because it's not that this will create more heat, but it will actually stop it from growing so fast, and it will pop once it starts growing too fast. And that usually happens when cool weather gets really hot fast, and this pumpkin gets all excited, hot fast, and just gets big instantly. And that's what got me so excited, because it was growing at this rate. And it just popped, just like that. Let me go ahead and take you to what. I'm going to go ahead and pick the secondary vine because it kind of lost its end right here. Now here's what you need to be careful with. I'm going to try to be careful right here. This is actually what. See how skinny that is? That can actually crack if you were just to flick it. So basically, this is the secondary vine. I'm going to pick it so I can show you it because it's already died. But it hit, because that little end piece back there, it died. And see how it fell off right there? There it is, hanging off. And it even has a little pumpkin on it. And it's about maybe a foot. Maybe about 12 inches. Oh, Dad. Okay, sorry, he was just stepping on my plant. This is actually about a foot. Just to give you an idea how big this thing is. This secondary vine. Now stay right there. Stay right there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and possibly 7.6 inches. 7.6 feet. So 7 feet and 6 inches. 7.6. Pretty big. And I'm going to go ahead and officially show you why Dad stands right here. I'm going to try to count loud right here. Right here, right here. Right here, right here. So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, this is miscounting because I'm just guessing. But 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I measured it earlier with my new device. It's 30 feet, but I just can't get exact with this little foot. Because unless I actually, it would just take too long. But I'm about 5 feet. And if I all the way down right here, look how big that is. If you would count 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that would be pretty big. So basically, this is about 30 feet. And another way I can tell is those pillars right there. Now zoom up on both those pillars. And another one. And another one. Those are each 10 feet. So 10, 20, 30, and possibly 40. Yeah, possibly. It's about 30 feet. And it's getting kind of dark. So we did hand pollination. I just want to get to one more quick thing. This little pumpkin right here. Dad, zoom on that. It's a pumpkin. And I'll see you guys later. Somebody please email me how to get onto the pumpkin layoff in Florida, so I can show everyone how I grew this in Florida. But that's probably going to be in 2014 October. So I guess I'll see you later.